I'm the product manager for the all-new Kia Sportage. Thank you all for watching this video on the features of the new Sportage. The fifth generation of Kia Sportage has been carefully crafted from the ground up to be the ultimate urban SUV. It comes with a number of upgrades and new features, all inspired for your driving experience. Over the next few minutes, I would like to take you through the highlight of the fifth generation of Sportage. At first glance, the design of the all-new Kia Sportage creates an instant visual impact. The clean, muscular lines and the sporty stance gives the car an assertive presence on the road. The modern technical pattern of the new grille integrates beautifully with the Kia signature tiger nose design. The boomerang-shaped daytime running lights, combined with the striking matrix LED headlamps, give the car an iconic, cutting-edge and premium look. The side profile of the all-new Sportage creates an inspiring presence on the road, with firm lines cutting across the clean but refined body surfaces. Representing a first for the Sportage range, the black roof helps to emphasize the sporting profile and highlight the dynamic C-pillar. Moving round to the back of the Sportage, you will notice the powerful broad shoulders, giving it a planted stance on the road. These flow seamlessly into the rear lamp design, forming the shape of the iconic taillights. The lower back bumper uses the same philosophy as the front. It connects all the graphic elements in this area to give the car a sporty and agile look at the rear. Developed on a new architecture, the all-new Sportage combines a drive-eccentric design with a state-of-the-art premium interior. Inspired by the desire to get out more, the all-new Sportage gives you in-class leading legroom, as well as plenty of headroom and luggage capacity. Depending on the specification and model, the new Sportage rides on 17, 18 and 19-inch wheels with a choice of 6 different alloy designs, colors and finishes. Moving inside the stylishly crafted cabin, you will instantly notice its contemporary and minimalistic style. The interior of the car has been developed with Kia's new design philosophy of opposites united. Boldness represented by high-tech features and softness delivered through care and balanced surfaces. And for your connectivity needs, the all-new Sportage is equipped with USB-C fast charging ports, 1 in the front and 2 in the rear. For your convenience, you'll also get all map and software updates over the air. As soon as you sit inside the car, you will notice the 2 impressive 12.3-inch high-resolution LCD displays. These provide a near cinematic screen and has an intuitive interface. The multi-mode control display integrates navigation, infotainment and air conditioning and many other controls while giving you a luxurious feeling inside the cabin. In addition, the new premium Harman Kardon sound system is designed to enrich the driving experience further. Kia's acclaimed ADAS technology systems help the Sportage to be one of the safest cars for passenger and other road users. As a part of the ADAS package, the all-new Sportage features a forward collision avoidance assist system with junction turning. This technology helps avoid collisions with objects in front and with any oncoming vehicle while turning at an intersection. The Sportage comes with a blind spot collision avoidance assist system, which is activated automatically whenever you're changing lanes. In addition, it's not only giving you a warning, but it also automatically assists braking to help avoid collisions. There is also a blind spot view monitor included to further enhance safety and driver visibility when changing lanes. It displays a real-time image of the rear side of the vehicle, which is smartly integrated into the full digital cluster, as you can see here. When it comes to parking, it couldn't be easier, as the new Sportage has a remote smart parking assist, which helps the driver to remotely park or exit a tight parking spot. To make parking even more stress-free, The car is equipped with a surround view monitor. This gives a driver a 360-degree view of the car and its surroundings. To cater to your driving style, the Sportage offers a selection of different drive modes. For example, on this hybrid version, you'll have the choice of Eco, Sport and Terrain mode. The Drive Mode Select feature customizes aspects such as throttle response, suspension dampening and steering feel with the turn of a knob. The new Terrain mode gives the all-new Sportage outstanding ride capabilities in more challenging conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You'll have an optimum comfort level and superior safety thanks to the electronic control suspension. And if you're driving at night, you can make use of the LED matrix headlights to control the lighting for you. It gives you the benefit of the high beam without impairing the visibility of the drivers coming the opposite way. I hope you found the technology and the design of the all-new Kia Sportage inspiring. To find out more, visit your local Kia website. Thank you and goodbye.